Today I'm going to show you how to create a bag icon in Figma in just a few simple steps using a free icon plugin that makes the process fast and easy. This is a great method whether you're designing a mock-up, building a UI, or just need a clean shopping bag icon for your project. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file and make sure you're inside the canvas where you want to add the icon. At the bottom toolbar, look for the Actions icon and click it. This opens up Figma's quick tools and plugin options. From there, click on Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can access a huge range of helpful tools created for Figma users. Next, in the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most popular icon plugins in Figma because it gives you access to thousands of icons in just a few clicks. Once you see it in the results, select it and run the plugin. After the plugin opens, you'll see a search bar inside Iconify. Type bag into the search field and press enter. This will bring up different bag icon options you can choose from, including shopping bags, handbag styles, and outline or filled versions depending on what you need. Take a moment to review the options and pick the one that best fits your design. Once you find the icon you want, simply drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. Figma will place the icon right where your cursor is, and from there you can resize it, change its color, or align it with the rest of your layout. If needed, you can also duplicate it or place it inside a button, card, or product section. And that's it, you've now created a bag icon in Figma using Iconify in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Figma tips, UI design tricks, and fast workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.